here with my darling Cait, who was a friend of mine from Korea, and now I'm in her beautiful home in Spain with none other than a friend of mine from Vietnam. So my worlds are coming together. We're having a celebration. I love it.
Tomate, ajo, en un diente de ajo, a little tooth. This is cola de rape, little tail. Mejillones are mussels. Sauce brand. Natalia's mom was like, you gotta get this kind. So I said, yes ma'am. Chila, baby clams. Saffron, that real deal. It's gonna be our colorant. These are our beans. Habas. Squid, calamari. Say hey! Hey! Our gambas, alcachofa, pimiento rojo, cebolla, and our fish caldo de pescado. We got all of our shrimp heads and goodies, and this is cangrillo. That is a ugly fish, but it tastes so good.
Oh my god, I love it! We're ready! Chop parsley and the garlic.
And the best thing to do is to like make it like a little piece of a paste, so it's blended both.
We're going to clean them sweet.
Oh man.
We are going to steam them with a little bit of water so they can open, and we will take them out of the shell and add them to the paella when the rice is half almost done. This is the magic of the paella. So we only will put a little bit, it's called saffron.
Shout out to our lady who just knows how to share her hospitality.
I'm looking at this, and we got all this alcachofa. I'm gonna go straight for the mariscos. Okay, and arroz.
Oh my god. Oh.